different setup. Got everything more compact. As you can see, I don't have saddlebags on here. I don't have a windshield. And what do you notice different on this? What happened to the train horns? Well, I just took basically one of them off, the longer one, the deeper tone, and put it on the gas tank. I can access it like this. I got my setup right here. I'm driving. I got my ball valve right here. Access it with either hand. And I got my air compressor back here. So I can turn it on right here. What's cool about this is that I can take this horn anywhere I want to. See that? Now you can take it somewhere and scare the shit out of somebody or do whatever you want to do. You can see right here. See, look at that pressure. Over 150 psi. Well, it's easy to put back together too, so all I have to do is do this. First I do this one right here. Second one. It's just Velcro. Here's your line. There we go. Now that's a motorcycle horn.